On November 17, I raised a question that as an Ontario company, Dominion voting system registered in Quebec, but it has no business place nor employee in Quebec, which is abnormal because usually the reason a company need to be registered in other province or jurisdiction is because that company has business there. So it seems that the reason that Dominion voting system registered in Quebec is to have a law firm to represent it, and the business department of that law firm happened to be led by a Chinese lawyer. Today we continue to talk about another weird thing about the Dominion voting system. As we can see here, the company's registration in Quebec has already been struck off in 2017. Usually it's because the company failed to file the annual declaration for several years. Meanwhile, if we look into the company's third major shareholder, which is an Alberta company called Forbes Energy Ltd., this company has also been struck off by the Alberta Registrar on July 13, 2020. But we know that the Dominion voting system CEO testified in front of the U.S. Congress in January, and the voting system was being used massively in the 2020 election. So the question is, why did the company fail to update its public record? Is that because they would rather to take some default risk than publish some major change in the company, such as share transfer? I just noticed that on November 18, someone tweeted that the domain name called dominionvotingsystems.com. It was registered by someone from the province of Hunan in China. But I think we have to be very careful because there are a lot of fake information circulating on the internet. If you retweet it, your credibility may be jeopardized. So if we Google Dominion voting systems, the first result is this website. If we check the basic information, like in Toronto, the head office is in Toronto, and the company was founded in 2003, which is correspondent to what I found in the registrar. So this is pretty much the real Dominion voting systems website. If we look into the domain name, it's not Dominion voting systems, it's just dominionvoting.com. The domain name registration information regarding the dominionvoting.com, which is the real domain name for the Dominion voting system company's website. It shows that the contact information linked to Arizona of the United States. On the other hand, there is a domain name called dominionvotingsystems.com. That domain name was created in May 2020. It was created by someone in Hunan province of China. And that website is not working. Something doesn't smell good, and I think we have to be very careful.